Fine, let me solve the 16th problem here. Right, see here we have to find out the value of 5 minus 2 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 1 and a half minus 1 1 by 4. Right, here first of all we are supposed to, the steps involved to solve this one is, first we have to convert, right, mixed fraction to improper. Right, improper we need to convert improper fraction. Then we are supposed to complete the operation, the arithmetic operation within the bracket. Then we are supposed to get the solution. Let us check out here. So 5, let me write out 5 minus, right, 2 and half, that is 2 2s are 4. You know how to convert mixed to improper, that you need to multiply here and then add the product here. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4, right, then plus here 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Now simplify within the bracket, that is 5 minus, here I need to take a LCM for 2 and 4, the LCM is 4, right, 4 is the LCM, right. Let me complete this. So 2 2s are 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3, right, 4 1s are 4, 1 into 3 is 3, that is plus, again 4 is the LCM here, right, 2 2s are 7 2s are 14 minus 5. Now this will become 5 minus, right, 10 minus 3 is going to be 10 minus 3 is going to be 7 by 4, right, plus 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5 is 9 by 4. Now take LCM for all these stuffs, that is going to be 4, right, 5 4s are 20, right, 20 minus 7 plus 9. So 20 minus 7, that is 22 by 4. 22 by 4 we got the answer. Now, so this we need to convert to mixed fraction, right. You know how to convert, that is going to be QR by D, right, that is, so 22 that divided by 4, 4 5s are 20, right, 2 remainder. So Q quotient is this, that is going to be 5, right, remainder is 2 and divisor is 4. Again you can simplify it here, 5 1 by 4, right, 5 1 by 4 is the answer, 5 1 by 2 is the answer, right. Here we are going to divide, right, 5 1 by 2. So option B is the right one.